for a second.
Oh wait, are we not restarting?
Alright, what do you need me to do?
We're not restarting?
No.
Okay. I thought we were restarting because the mission failed. So I said I'd put 4 oxygen rods in there and then turned off automatic.
Oh my god.
So much for not restarting! That was mean. Why are you shooting me? I didn't do nothing.
I don't know where people are shooting. Oh hey, what's that?
Grenade. Everything's gone to...
I have a flash coming.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh my god! Oh god, you're almost dead! Why are you on the table, buddy? Why there's so many baby dolls in this building?
I've got a peer-reviewed study right here that says... says you're a pussy.
I'm the ghost that haunts. Oh!
What has happened? Oh god, the Emperor was flame.
You know what I could do? You could easily kill someone. You could just kill someone if you wanted to.
What? I oh no, he's coming. No, you can't get up here.
But...
One boy, one. Da, 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 one boy, one.
Hamster.
How did I?
Ah!
Try to get to someone. Try to get to someone and revive them.
If I get to someone, it's just gonna smack me with it. We all die.
It's.
You're gonna have to sacrifice yourselves for the greater good.
Oh wait.
I'm hanging here.
I actually jumped off.
Look at him go! I'm trying to give them something to work with. There appear to be less Genshis now. Oh my god!
I will eat your ass.
I'm gonna fist him. I'm gonna fist him. I'm gonna fist him.
Guys, I'm scared. I'm scared. Monkey is fearful. Monkey is fearful.
Enemies, time to fight.
Oh! Well, even then. I was more like, kinda...
Wake him out of your head, wanker.